What's up, guys? Dr. Oats here, and today we're back with another video. And today we are I'm gonna show you how to do like drifts with RC cars. I'm gonna do my mini one first with this type of controller, you know, up, down, side to side. And I'm also gonna show you how to do drifts with an RC car that has this type of controller, you know. You might have one of these, and maybe if like they go really fast, this is turning, this, for some reason, like this going forward is backwards, this is forwards. It's weird, but you know. Okay, so turn this on. Okay. So what you gotta do is, so what you gotta do is like, see it moving? Okay, so when you go up, like, oh my gosh, so when you go forward, oh my gosh. So when you go forward, when you have to go really fast, or else it will just go backwards. So what you gotta do is go forward, and then it's pretty weird, but like go forward. And then when you want to drift, you go backwards and turn at the same time. Like this. This is a bad drifting. Boy, that hit the camera. Okay. I'll just. I have to go really fast, so just see it kind of. This is kind of Okay, so that was the first car. Now I'm gonna show you like the kind of real RC car. Well, I had the top off, so this is basically the inside of it. So, yeah. So what you plop. Okay. So it's basically the same thing, but different controls. See, it's like full power. So, here's everything. See the speed. It was pretty fast. So, what you gotta do is, of course, basically, if I say backwards, that means forwards, backwards. So, like basically, okay, so go forwards. Okay, so go forwards and then turn. Oh wait, this is the wrong side. It's the wrong side. Sorry, guys. Come here. Thank you. Okay, so go over here. Okay, so what you gotta do is go forward and then, so like, go backwards and turn at the same time like the other one. It's a better drifting car, so yeah. I don't think you saw any of the drifts, so I'll just do one. And that just hit the last door. Okay, so that hit the garage door. And thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.